This video will show you step-by-step instructions on how to upgrade the low beam headlights in this 2018 Toyota Sienna. There are no tools needed for this installation. Starting under the hood, you can access the low beam bulb at the back of the headlight assembly. Begin by pushing in the locking tab to disconnect the wire connector. Turn the bulb counterclockwise to unlock it and pull it out. Now that we have it out, let's compare the standard halogen to the new LED from Ayla Lighting. This DCR model has the LED chips aligned to match the filament in the halogen bulb, so you can get the best possible light performance and safety. It also has a plug-and-play base, making this installation super simple. If you find the LED chips don't line up to face out to the left and right, there is an included Allen tool to loosen and adjust the bulb. Loosen the set screw in the side of the bulb, rotate the bulb in the base until it's in the desired position, and retighten the set screw. To install the new LED, start by connecting the LED driver to the LED bulb. As you install the bulb, you will find it hard to tell the orientation of the LED chips through the headlamp projector lens. Here's a tip. When this bulb is lined up correctly, the wire out the back will be pointing straight down at the 6 o'clock position or straight up at the 12 o'clock position when it's locked in. Connect the wire connectors by pushing them together until it clicks. When installing the bulb, line up the top tab on the bulb with the highest tab on the housing. Then, when you insert the bulb and turn it clockwise to lock it in, the wire out the back will be hanging straight down at the 6 o'clock position, ensuring you have installed it correctly. We recommend testing everything before putting it back together. And you can see the difference in color and brightness between the new LED and the standard halogen. We're taking the extra step to use a zip tie to secure the driver and any extra wires. Now the same steps for the other side. Unplug the wire connector and turn the bulb counterclockwise to remove it. Replace with the new LED bulb and plug in the wire connector. Being sure to line up the top tab with the top slot on the housing, insert the bulb and turn it clockwise to lock it. Secure the driver and wires with a zip tie. Now, check out the new LED headlights.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.